Hello, my dear student. I welcome you all to the maths class. So, you all know that we are doing chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. So, in our today's class, we will be doing question number 10, 11, and 12 of exercise 1.2. Let us start our class without any delay. So, here is the question number 10, and it states that medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. Okay, how many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg. So the question is, medicine is packed in one box. So this is one box in which the medicines are packed. Okay, each weighing 4 kg 500 box. That is, the weight of this whole box is 4 kg 500 gram. Now what you have to find is, so how many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg. So there is one van. Okay, so there is one this type of a van which can not carry beyond 800 kg. So what is the weight of one box? The weight of one box is 4 kg 500 grams. So how many boxes can this vehicle, this van can carry? But the condition is it cannot carry more than 800 kg. So in order to find that, what we have to do is we have to list out whatever is given in the question. So the first and foremost thing given is, okay, weight of one box. What is the weight of one box? It is 4 kg 500 gram. So in our last class, I have told you that if there is 2 unit, you have to convert it into any specific 1 unit. Either it should be converted into gram or gram should be converted into kg. Only 1 unit should be taken into consideration. So here I'll prefer to convert kg into gram, as simple multiplication will help you to get the result. But if you want to convert gram into kg, then you have to divide with 1000. That will be a little bit lengthier process. So I hope you all know to note down that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. In your lower class, that is 4 5, this thing is very much familiar to you. So when you are converting kg into gram, you should multiply with 1000. And if you are converting into gram, and if there is another unit that is gram, it should be add, like this. Now this whole number 4500 is considered as gram. That's why I've written in one bracket, and gram should be and the unit gram should be written. 4 into 1000 is 4000 plus 500. It is again gram, as there are two values, so I'm giving the bracket. If you have only one bracket, no need. If you have only the one value, no need to give the bracket. So it is 4500 gram. So what is the weight of one box? The weight of one box is 4500 gram. Now how many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? So what is the next thing given? The next thing given is weight, or you may write maximum weight. You will write maximum weight a van can carry. What is the maximum weight that van can carry? Is 800 kg. Now remember, you converted this value into gram. Even this value should be converted into gram. If you are keeping this in gram and you are keeping this in kg, the value will be totally incorrect, or the answer will be incorrect. So that is why you need to convert this into gram. Whenever you are converting any kg value into gram, you should multiply with 1000 as mentioned here, right? So it should be written like this. Now 800 into 1000 is 8 ones are 8. How many 0? 1 2 3 4 5, like this, isn't it? So 1 comma here, 1 comma, it is 8 lakh gram. So what is the maximum weight that a van can carry? Is 8 lakh gram. Now if such is the condition, if one weight of one box is 4500 gram and maximum weight that van can carry, divide this number, whatever the number you'll get, that will be the number of the boxes, that will be the number of boxes that van can carry. Okay, so what you have to find is, whenever you are finding such type of question, you will divide it. Okay, that is, if you are finding any kind of a number, okay, then you'll use the division process. So number of boxes a van can carry is equal to, what you have to do as mentioned, 8 lakh divided by, what is the weight of one box? It is 4500, right? So you have to divide this two number, and when you will get and whatever the question you'll get, that will be your answer. So now here you have to divide, so I'll be using the rough page here. So 4500 is dividing 8 lakh, right? So 45 2 ja is not possible, so 45 1 ja, 4500 1 ja, 4500, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 10 minus 5 is 5, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Now 1 0 will be down. Okay, when you go through the multiplication table, you'll get 4500, 7 ja will be applicable, 7 5 ja 35, 3 in hand, 7 4 ja 28, 28 29 30 31. Subtract it, you'll get 0 5. Okay, 4 minus 1 3. Again 3500 you got, so this 0 will be coming down. Again 1 7 you'll put, 31500. So it is, okay, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. So the remainder is 3500 here. Now no more numbers are left out, so you will say that only 177 you are getting the answer. So number of boxes a van can carry will be equals to 177. And if suppose the question was, what is the left out? What is the number of the medicine left out? The medicine left out is 3500. And what is the number of boxes that van can carry? With the weight of 4500 gram of one box, then it is 177 only. That is, the maximum van can carry a weight of 8 lakh gram, right? So with that, 177 boxes can only this van can carry. Okay, so I hope this is understandable, made a concept. Okay, so let's proceed to next question. Okay. Question number 11 state that the distance between the school and a student house is 1 kilometer 875 meter, right? Every day she works both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So here what we have to do is we have to find the uh, total distance that student is covering in 6 days. So first of all, in one day, how much total distance she is covering, that we have to find. As because student, this is suppose her house, and now she is traveling 1 kilometer 875 meter, she is traveling to reach her school, right? So not only that, she will also return back, isn't it? She will not stay in the school, so she will return back to house. So similarly, she will cover again this much of distance while going to school, and while coming back to house, the total distance will be double of this, that is 1 kilometer 875 plus 1 kilometer 875 meter. So in one day, that much distance will be the girl covering. So if in one day, if that girl is covering that distance, then what will be the distance in 6 days? That we have to find. The question is very simple. Just take it in a simple manner. Only the thing is, there are two units. Just see, one in kilometer, one in meter. You have to convert either in one unit, that is in kilometer or in meter. Okay, so let's do it. Distance between the school and a house of a student is how much? What is the distance? It is 1 kilometer 875 meter. All right. So that is, this distance is only to reach from house to school, right? So we will find the double, that is in one day how much she is covering, that we have to find. But before that, what we will do is we will convert this unit into its one specific unit, that is kilometer should be converted into meter, meter should be converted into kilometer. Either you can do any one, choice is yours, but I'll prefer to use to convert kilometer into meter. So I hope you all know this. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, isn't it? So one, in a previous question, whatever we did, in a similar manner we will do 1 into 1000 plus 875. So now this all value is represented as meter. That's why m is small, sorry, it is, yes, meter. So m for meter and km for kilometer. Now 1 into 1000 is 1000 plus 875. Now it is 1875 meter. So this is the distance between the house and school. Now in one day, how much distance is covering, that we have to find. So let's write total distance covered by a girl in one day. In one day, what is the total distance is covering? That is 1875 into 2. As because one time she is going to school and again she is returning back. Either you can do this way or you may add like this: 1875, 1875. The result will be same. You may add like this or you may multiply like this. Okay, so if you add this, what you'll get: 10, 1 in hand, 14, 15, 1 in hand, 16, 17, 1 in hand, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. It is 3750. Here also you will get the same answer. Okay, do not get confused. So it is 3750, 3750 meter. So this is the total distance the girl is covering in one day. All right, this is the total distance a girl is covering in one day. Now the question is, you have to find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So you'll write like this: therefore total distance covered by a girl in 6 days we have to find. In one day she is covering this much, so in 6 days how much she will cover? Into 6, of course, right? So the answer will be 6 zeros are 0 if you multiply. So let's take the help of a rough paper. 3750 into 6. So 6 into 0 is 6. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 5 is 30. 3 in hand. 6 7 are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. 4 in hand. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. It is, okay, 22,500. It is 22,500, right? So this is the total distance covered by a girl in 6 days. Okay, so you may write this value in a meter form like this, or you may write this in the form of kilometer and meter. So this value can be written in the form of kilometer and meter by dividing with 1000, by dividing with 1000. So the answer you are going to write down yourself. You will get the two value, that is the question will be written as a kilometer and the remainder will be written as meter. So this will be your homework. I want you all to do it yourself. You may write this value in this meter form. It's better if you convert the value in kilometer and meter form. How to do that? You will divide the number by 1000. You will divide this number by 1000. Is this clear? Okay, so let's proceed to next question. Right, so here we have the question number 12, which is the last question from exercise 1.2. It states that a vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of a curd. Okay, a one vessel is there, a container is there, which uh, which is carrying 4 liter 500 ml of a curd. Okay, inside this vessels, this much of curd is present. Now your question is, in how many glasses? Okay, in how many glasses each of 25 ml? So uh, this is one glass whose capacity is 25 ml. So this glass can hold only 25 ml of water or anything else. So your question is, in how many glasses? So in such glasses, how many glasses will be required to fill this amount of a curd, which is of 25 milliliter? The capacity of the glass is 25 milliliter. So how many glasses will be required to fill this curd? The question is simple. I have told you, whenever you are finding such question, that is number of glasses, number of boxes, number of a paper, so in such condition you will divide. So here what should be divided, that we are going to find it. Okay, so let's write, we will write quantity of a curd in a vessel. What is the quantity of a curd in a vessel? The quantity of the curd in a vessel is 4 liter 500 milliliter. So this is the quantity of the curd of a curd in a vessel. Okay, so as you can see here, there are two units. As mentioned, whenever you see this 2 unit, you should convert into 1 unit. So I hope you all know 1 liter is 1000 ml and 1 ml is equal to 1 divided by 1000 liter. These 2 units should be noted down. This will help you in a conversion process. So I will prefer to convert liter into milliliter. So 4 into 1000 plus 500 inside the bracket, and outside you'll write milliliter, and it is 4 into 1000 is 4000 plus 500. So first and foremost thing, what you need to do is you have to convert the given unit, the given 2 unit, a pair of unit, into its specific 1 unit. Here only milliliter 1 unit is there. Here it was 2 liter, so I've converted into 1 unit, that is milliliter. Okay, so this is the quantity of a curd in that vessel, that is 4500 milliliter or 4 liter 500 milliliter. Now your question is, or the next step what you will write is capacity of a glass. What is the capacity of the glass? How much quantity a glass can hold, water, anything else, that is only 25 milliliter. All right, so you have to find what is the number of the glass, the this glass can hold this capacity, this quantity of a curd. So you'll write number of glass required to fill 4500 ml of curd is equal to, so divide this number with this, right? 4500 divided by 25. So on dividing, so let's divide this and get the answer. 25 is dividing 4500, right? So 25 ones are 25, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2, 0 will come down. So 25 8 is 200, right? 25 8 is 200 and 1 0 is left out, so 25 0 is 0. So the answer is 180. So how many glasses are required to fill this 4500 ml or 4 liter 500 ml of curd? 180 glasses are required. Okay, so this is how we find, and you can write therefore over here, number of glasses required to fill 4500 ml of curd is equal to 180 glasses. Okay, so as mentioned, this is the last question from exercise 1.2. In our next class, we will proceed with the next question. All right. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and kindly copy this work in your Maths NCRT copy. All right. Thank you everyone for joining the class. Thank you so much.